With a budget of $1.7 billion, the U.S. is building an NGAD aircraft that can change its shape in flight, might have high-powered lasers for defense, and could even travel at a pace 5 times the speed of sound. We discuss the U.S. new 6th-generation fighter jet air superiority silence Russia and China amid Ukraine-Russia war in today's video. U.S. 6th-generation fighter jet. There has been news about several countries developing a list of 6th-generation fighter jets, and the current Russia and Ukraine war has even highlighted the need to fasten the pace of their productions. Russia, China, and the United States have taken the lead in the production of their 6th-generation jets and are spending huge amounts on developing them. For instance, it's been reported that the U.S. is spending over $1.7 billion on the production of its next-generation air dominance NGAD program. The NGAD is intended to be a family of systems to supersede the current 5th-generation fighter, Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. It will consist of a manned fighter aircraft as the centerpiece, supported by unmanned Royal Wingman platforms rumored to be Boeing MQ-28 drones. So far, the USAF has been very secretive about the NGAD for security reasons, but U.S. military news suggests that the U.S. will be the first country to field a 6th-generation jet, probably in 2030, and likely to be more functional than that of Russia and China. We will soon see why. Design. The USAF has intentionally kept the design of this much-anticipated jet a secret, probably because they suspect that other countries might steal the concept. But if there's one thing we can be sure of, then it's the jet's stealth technology. 5th-generation fighters such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II are known for their precision attack capabilities, speed, agility, and, above all, their stealth technologies, making them difficult to detect by radar scanners. 6th-generation fighters are expected to be better than the current 5th-generation fighters, which means we should expect better stealth performance from the NGAD aircraft. Various sources also suggest that just as the USA's F-22 and F-35 Raptors, the leading 5th-generation fighters, the NGAD is expected to have more air dominance than Russia and China. What exact weapons and features will make it better? We discuss that later in the video. But before that, please subscribe to our channel. We will alert you about everything concerning the NGAD and other 6th-generation fighters. Although there's no official news from the USAF about the design of the NGAD, various clues give us an idea. For example, in 2016, in a TV commercial titled "Just Wait," Northrop Grumman gave an idea of what might be the 6th-generation fighter. It showed a tailless blended wing body aircraft firing a laser at incoming missiles. Again, in a 2017 promotional video titled "Skunk Works," on the path to 75 years of innovation, Lockheed Martin shows a tailless triangle-like jet similar to that of Northrop Grumman. Lastly, between 2008 and 2010, Boeing published several concept images featuring tailless carrier-borne aircraft, which many media channels use to illustrate the NGAD. A quick look at China's Chengdu J-20, US's Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, and Russia's Sukhoi Su-57 5th-generation fighter jets will give us what to expect from the new fighter jet. F-22 Raptor versus other 5th-generation fighters. America's F-22 Raptor is currently the world's best 5th-generation fighter. The Raptor carries a frontal radar cross-section of just 0.0001 to 0.0002 square meters, which is about 5,000 times smaller than the Russian Su-57, which is 0.5 square meters, and at least 800 times smaller than the G-20, between 0.08 and 0.3 square meters, and even 5 to 10 times smaller than the much newer F-35. Also, the F-22 has sensors and avionics considered robust enough to give the Raptor's pilots a first-kill opportunity, faster and better than the J-20 and Su-75, and only second to the F-35. Lastly, with a top speed of 2,414 km per hour, it is faster than J-20's 2,126 km per hour and Su-75's 2,130 km per hour and can fly at supersonic speeds without using its afterburner. The F-22 is said to cover more distance at an incredible rate than its competition, while having enough fuel left in the tank for a fight once it arrives. Considering that the NGAD is to replace the F-22 Raptor, which is currently the best fifth-generation fighter, several rumors suggest the NGAD will have more air dominance than Russia and China's sixth-generation jets. Do you support this claim? Let us know what you think in the comments section. USA's NGAD performance. USA's sixth-generation fighter jet is rumored to have several new features. It can change shape in flight, morphing to optimize speed or persistence, and its engines will likely be returnable in flight for efficient supersonic cruise or subsonic loitering. The fighter is projected to have directed energy weapons such as high-powered microwaves and lasers for defense against incoming missiles. A combination of materials and microelectronics technologies would make the aircraft a sizable integrated sensor, which would be used for cyber attacks. Paul K. Meyer, who serves as the Vice President and General Manager of Northrop Grumman's Advanced Programs and Technology Division, believes that the sixth-generation fighter jet is likely to have a digital wingman that could accompany the main fighter as an extra sensor shooter smart enough to take verbal instructions. It is also believed the fighter could be equipped with much faster hypersonics. This has to do with the ability of an air vehicle to travel at 5 times the speed of sound. Buzz reports that the NGAD will probably feature the AIM-267 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile and the JATM missile.
The NGAD's primary weapon will most likely be the AIM-268 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, or JATM, which Lockheed Martin is currently developing. The JATM, which was first revealed at an Air Force industry conference in 2019, is designed to counter China's long-range PL-15 air-to-air missile.
So far, Russia and China have been silent about their P-6-generation jets. However, considering the USA's history of air dominance and the speculations about the NGAD, together with the fact that it would be the first sixth-generation fighter jet to be ready, it is safe to say neither Russia nor China's future jet can match the air dominance of the NGAD. Watch our video on US 6th generation fighter. Extraordinary war weapon design and performance. Putin hates already. For more insight about the NGAD jet. Goodbye.